Hi, thanks for watching my video. Today I'm going to show you how to wheel lift a Ford F-150 onto this truck. Stay tuned to find out. Hey YouTube junkies, thanks for watching. This is your tow junkie Carlos here. Today I wanted to show you how to wheel lift a F-150 on to my tow truck, which is the wheel lift here. I already have one on there. Now I have to put on that wheel lift right there. Let's get to it. First things first is with the wheelbase on that truck is a little bit wider. Bear with me because I'm trying to video and do this. Anyway, there's these little pins right here. You need to pull that all the way out, because if you don't, it'll never work. Try to lock that pin in. I don't think this one here locks. No. All right. So next thing we do, we get in the old trusty truck here. It's a little dirty, so overlook it. Anyway, I don't know if you can see it or not. This one right here is a PTO. That kicks everything on. So you will push that button, and on this truck, which trucks are different, so you know, it doesn't necessarily mean that that's what's going to happen with the truck you drive. And then there's cruise right here, so you hit that and you hear it idle up. Don't idle too high, don't need to, but what we do, bring that down just a little bit. See it going out? What I usually do, some people will just put it down and then put the truck against it, or car, whatever you have, and then hook your L arms to it. But these arms, there's a little thing here, pin here, you pull down and twist, which releases it. So give me just a second here. But anyway, this is your L arm. I'm gonna put this on here real quick. And with the tires as big as they are, you don't want to go too, you want to make sure that you use the last run on this one. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And this is so much fun. Sitting here talking to myself, people's probably looking at me all crazy. All right, that's what it looks like when I have it, my L arms on. Now, right here, you hit down, brings it all the way down. See how it is? All right. Then I usually just get in the truck. And by the way, I'm doing this for Mannheim auction, so they're mandatory to take pictures on a app. So I've already done that. But anyway, you just back the truck on up. Then get it lined up. Bam. Right in it. See that? Look at that. Man, I'm good. Been doing it a while. Sometimes it takes a minute to get it right, but anyway, as I was saying about the pictures, I've already took pictures of it before I started my video. You got to take 4 pictures all the way around and take a picture of the mileage. And then pretty much submit that into the Dispatcher app. All right, and then what I do is I shut it off, take the key out, so that way the steering tightens up a little bit. But for precautions, pulled the seat all the way up. Ew, that don't look right, does it? Gross. This truck's nasty. Alright. What I'm fixing to do, I'm about to set the phone down, y'all, is run this through the steering wheel. I might want to run it twice. Just for precaution. Just to make sure it tightens up. See that right there? And we do that because that way the front stays tight. On these newer vehicles, sometimes they just don't lock in the way they should. But I try to make sure that they're not gonna go nowhere like that right there. Yeah, all right, we're good there. Now, my next step that I do is pick it up. Bounce a little bit, make sure it sits in the grooves nice and tight. See how big these tires are? That's why you always want to use that last row, that last hole in your wheel lift. And some wheel lifts are different, I'm not gonna lie. Some of them definitely are different. What I always do is make sure that this is kind of will clear underneath the truck, because I don't think it will, but I get nervous that when I turn a corner, it's gonna hit. And so I always do the extra precaution, because if you damage a Manheim vehicle, you gotta pay for it. And it's not good. But if anybody ever wants to get involved with Manheim, it does pay good. I can't say real good, but it pays okay, I guess. These two here, I think I'm doing these for $288 to take back to Columbus, Ohio, which is about an hour away. So, and I get a percentage of anything I tow. So anyway, these is what I use. Little hooks, strap hooks, and I use D-straps. These are D-straps. If anybody's looking to get into the towing business, they can always comment in my video, and you know, feel free to ask any questions you want. There's another thing, is this is a light bar, so when you're towing one behind, you always want that. Of course, that's my trusty piece. I don't play around. In towing life, sometimes that's what you need. I've had too many situations of getting robbed, and that's the things that you don't want to look forward to, but sometimes it happens. I'm pretty easy to get along with, but you know, I'm not the guy to get robbed. I'm not on that. I mean, I work too hard for what I got. All right, anyway, put that light bar right there in the window, and the reason why is because you can put them on top, but these Fords, these new ones, they are aluminum. So them light bars, they won't stick on that. You can see it right there. They won't stick on aluminum, so always remember that. I know my video is a little long, but I hope everybody continues to watch it. At the end of the video, you guys will do me a big, humongous favor to like, share, and subscribe to my videos. You know, just push it. Try to get everybody subscribed. I have, you know, quite a few subscribers, but I would love to get more. Trying to break 200 and work my way up. So hopefully this video does it, because there's a lot of people that, you know, is in the tow life, and they hit pretty big on their videos. I have one that's almost 10,000 views, which is pretty good. Anyway, this is your D-strap here. What I do is I do a simple, run it right through here, reach back in behind the tire, and pull it through like that. All right, and then what I do is there's this hook here, and I just sit it right in there. I ain't trying to make it perfect or nothing. But that's how it should look. And then there's this hook right here. So what you do is you grab your hook piece here. Look, if I can hold on to it. Your ratchet hook. All right. I'll try to do this holding the phone too. I really don't want to sit my phone down and get messed up. Crap. This job does get frustrating right now. Well, not right now, but sometimes you'll go out for calls that are stupid, that you know you're not gonna make a lot on, but it's part of the life, especially right now. And with this coronavirus thing, everybody needs to wash their hands. If you got hand sanitizer, use it. And quit taking all the damn toilet paper at the stores. Let everybody else have some too. That's ridiculous. Everybody's got to wipe their butt. It's crazy. Anyway, I just do it like that, man. Right there. And this job's really simple. I love my job. I've been towing just for this company for the past 6 years. I guess it tells something, right? And like I said, with this corona thing going on, work is really super slow right now. So it's not the greatest. So hopefully things pick back up and everything goes back to normal. But until then, I'm wearing gloves. I ain't playing that crap. Nope, not this guy. I ain't getting it. I got family to support. I did the same thing on this side. Crap. I gotta go over there and get that. The only reason why I don't climb across my Wheellift is because it's got grease all over it, and I don't want it on my pants. But you know, sometimes you gotta have that grease for it to work right. And then when I get down the road, you know, I probably when I stop and get fuel on the way back, I'll check them, make sure everything's good. But anyway, you do the same thing on this side. Y'all still there? Sorry about that. Thank God for an OtterBox case. I'd have busted my phone. I need to hire a photographer to take my videos. Something. Alright. That is nice and snug there. And I always like to keep that tire swiveled a little bit. That means it's holding. Alright. Here's a big key. Safety chain. If you don't have a safety chain on it, DOT will mess with you. So you have to at least have your safety chains on, which on a truck, I just hook to the hitch. I'll put that one on. And I come over here. My safety chains, I just keep them here. Hook it right in here, like so. I compare it to the ground to see how low I am. And that's it. You don't want to go too low so they don't drag you. You don't want to go too high because when you go to turn corners, you got to make sure you got clearance. Other than that, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. I need you to smash that like button, that subscribe button, and that share button. There's also a notification bell on my upcoming videos. But this is how you tow 2 cars at once, and we'll lift that one. And just to show you, I just chained this one. I took my Velcro strap here, put that on here, chain that right here, straight into the frame. Always go for the frame. Never go for control arms or none of that. I've seen a video of a guy doing that. That's bullcrap, because it will cost you in the end. I'm telling you, you would be doing that tow for free plus paying it off for 6 months. But anyway, I love you guys, and I hope that you like, share, and subscribe to my videos. I really need this. And if you have any questions, just please leave them in the comments below at towjunkie.com or whatever. It doesn't matter. Just please just help me out here. All right, I hope this video helped you guys. I was glad to be able to be assistance of it. And I'll see you next time. Ciao.